Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to see the solution for question 1 in exercise 5.3. Find dy by dx in the following. There are two subdivisions. In the first one, it is x is equal to at square. In the y is equal to 2at. So let's note it down. X is equal to 80 squared and y is equal to 280. So this procedure is called implicit differentiation. So first let's compute dx by dt. With respect to t, a is a constant. So let's differentiate dx by dt will be 280. Now let's compute dy by dt. dy by dt is equal to 2a. Now we need to find out what is dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to dy by dt, the whole thing divided by dx by dt. So this is 2a divided by 2at. So 2a and 2a will get strike from numerator and denominator. So the answer is 1 by t. So for the first question, dy by dx is equal to 1 by t. Now let's take up the second question and similarly do implicit differentiation. So in this case, x is equal to 2at squared and y is equal to at power 4. Now let's compute dx by dt. With respect to t, 2a is a constant. So 2 into 2, it is equal to 4at. Now dy by dt will be equal to 4at cube. So let's compute dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dt, the whole thing by dx by dt. So this is equal to 4at cube divided by 4at. 4a and 4a will get cancelled. One of the t will get cancelled. So the answer is t square. So in the second case, dy by dx is equal to t square. In the next video, we will see solutions from question 2 in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.